So I wanted to try out Litestream with SpatiaLite. Litestream, if you don't know, is a way to continuously stream your SQLite changes to a object store such as AWS S3 or Azure Blob Storage, or even SFTP or NFS. And it's really cheap because you can have replication really cheaply, because block storage is cheap. So let's try this out with SpatiaLite. So we have spatial replication of geospatial data. So the way this tutorial is structured is that they use MinIO, which is a open source alternative to S3, and they run it locally, and they then create a replication stream using Litestream to MinIO of your database. So first thing we did is just run our MinIO here. So you can see it's running on this port here, and I've created a bucket here called myBKT, and it's just an ordinary bucket, which is what they suggest here. And next thing we're going to do is create a database, so a SQLite database. So here I have a database already with some geospatial data in it. So let me just show you where this is located. So here I have two directories. One's called main, the other one's called replica, and I'm going to stream this database to my bucket first using Litestream. So let's start that up first. So and here I am in my main, and I'm going to just run Litestream replicate, and then the name of my database, which is countries, and then the name of, and then the location of my bucket, which I can give here as well, countries dot SQLite. Okay, let's move this here so it's a bit more clear here. So I'm going to run that, and as soon as I run that, we should start seeing the stream of snapshots being written to my bucket. So here, if I go back to my MinIO here, and I go to my bucket, I see that this was created. This database is there, and that's being replicated. And let's go back here now, and we're just gonna go and open QGIS and open our SpatiaLite database. Okay, so I want to add this countries layer, which is a set of points, and here's my data. These are the countries. So open the attribute table, and then I'm just gonna change the name, or just say in brackets, let's just say land of Kiwis, or say all blacks. So which is the name of their rugby team. And I'm going to save that and toggle editing. So as I did that, you should see here, at least let's go into the database here. CD main, SpatiaLite, and I'm going to do a select star from. So here we see our change here. That's in the local database. But now we should also have this replicated here, streamed here. And so to look at that, we're going to just go into my other directory that I had. and going to the replica, or yeah, actually we're gonna create a restore, so I'm gonna create a directory called restore. We don't need that directory. Replica is misleading. So, and going to restore, and then we're going to restore this database from S3 and look at it. So let's say litestream restore and give it the name countries.SQLite. Over here I'm going to also call it countries.SQLite. Okay. Something did not. Oh yes, of course. I need to export the API key. So for the database for MinIO. So that is done using this is our and I'm going to restore it. Try to restore it again. So here it is. Here's my restored data. So this should have the new change from here, from the left one here. So let's try it out. SQLite, and I'm gonna just call this query here. Oh, sorry. I used the wrong client to get into this database. So no one's SpatiaLite, SQLite, which loads our spatial extension. So let's try that again. And here it is, and it's the restored value. So this is working. Our syncing is automatic, and that's pretty friggin' awesome.